Well, hello. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video with me on the camera, so I'm really excited. It seemed like a perfect day since outside there's a lot of snow and it's sunny, so a time for something new to start. My name is Sandra. I'm 42. I'm mother of two. I have a wonderful husband. I live in an amazing country and I'm living my best life ever. And since you clicked on this video, you should know that we are co-creating this content together. So welcome and thank you from my side to you as well. So why should you stick around and watch also my next videos? Well, basically because I'm gonna share what helped me transform my life. I was someone who was raised in very unsupportive surrounding. I was raised with the belief that I was born under the worst possible star there could be. I don't know the name of the star. I was born with the wrong last name, with wrong nationality, in the wrong country, at the wrong time, obviously. So therefore, I just had to suck it up and suffer all the bad things that were happening to me in my life. Oh, to name few, from very early age in my childhood, I was being victim of abuse in all possible ways that you can think of. I was raised in extreme poverty. There were so many days where we literally had nothing to eat, and I don't know, whole family would share few slices of bread and some old jam and stuff like that. Obviously there was no money to buy clothes and shoes and stuff like that. I would go to school for the whole week in the same clothes, and I would get bullied for it, of course. I'd be lying constantly to my friends because I was so ashamed what was happening behind the four walls that, I don't know, I guess child's mind just then decides to make up stories. So I don't know, because I wasn't allowed to go out and have friends, I would just, make up stories about how we went to, I don't know, family trip and here and there, but I've never been anywhere. I would just go to the library and because when I was a kid, there was no internet, obviously. In the 80s, ancient history. So yeah, there was so many times when I would be literally counting my last seconds of my life, trying to end it. And I don't know, just somehow I would always hear, this voice at the back of my head saying, hey, it's not supposed to be like that. Because, seriously, are we born to this planet to suffer? Somehow I couldn't believe that story, but I couldn't find any other explanation either, or I couldn't see any other way out of all that was happening to me either. So many years went by, life was happening, and it was in my early 30s, after I gave birth to my first child, that eventually my body just gave up. Up until that point, I never even thought I would even touch the story of my childhood, that I would have to deal with it. No way, I'm not gonna go there, just bury it and leave it there. But I had to. I decided that I want to, because I was facing so many health issues, and I don't know, I just heard when someone said to me, first it's your soul that gets sick, and then it's your body, because we don't hear our soul, and then the body shows it in much more obvious way, because we can see also. So yeah, the journey of my personal transformation started. I learned about many wonderful people with many different techniques and approaches, and I'll be sharing all of that here with you. Just to mention Neville Goddard and his revision, and Neil Donald Walsh and the story of a soul talking to a god. Those were the two most important things that helped me like really change my childhood. And I'll be talking about changing past events. Revision is like the best tool I have come across, at least. So yeah, I'll be sharing all of that. Basically, through my transformation, friends noticed, and they were asking questions, and I would be like sharing with them, and then they would like change things in their lives, and somehow life led me to my first clients and companies. So now, many years down the road, I kind of got this inspiration that I know there are many people who also have this desire, but maybe don't know where to start, and we all hear different people, and there are so many wonderful people. So yeah, if everything that I will be sharing here will help at least one person on the other side that is co-creating this with me, I will serve well here too. So yeah, let's have a lot of fun. Ego is gonna suffer hearing some of the things, been there, done that, but there is this power that I felt when I heard, it's up to you. And I was like, it's up to me? Of course, ego said, what? It's my responsibility that this and this and this happened throughout my entire life, and I needed some time to get over that. But if it's up to me how it's gonna be from now on, and if I can get the tools, then let's hit the road, Jack, and see what happens. And I'm telling you, like, it's that cliche thing that everyone who went through like some hard times and got out of it, I remember hearing people. I remember Oprah Winfrey. I was like adoring Oprah Winfrey and watching all of her shows. And, when she was sharing her story, and she would say, yeah, but I would never change anything that happened in my past, because that's why I am now who I am. And I was like, bullshit, literally, like, why? But yeah, I'm here to say exactly the same thing, because yeah, that's why I am at the point where I am today, and it's the best place to be inside. So I'll be sharing like everything that I have learned. So Please show you have any questions, any ideas maybe what to talk about. Put it in the comments, and maybe even write me an email if you're like the shy one like I would be. I never like commented on anything. But I hope to see you soon in my next video, and yeah, let's go create some fun times ahead of us. Enjoy.